the things that I've done loads of things, and what, oh my fucking god. I know I got loads of XP and made something that I wanted to, so yeah, and as you can see, now I am Cookie Monster. So this is basically a special episode to show you something that I did find, and I fucking love it. What? Hey. What? I found an ocelot and made it my own. I was actually looking for an ocelot. Now, I got all this stuff from, I went on a huge mine adventure, got so much XP, got loads of diamonds, well not really loads, but lots of diamonds, and this is all the stuff that I have got so far. So, yeah. So this does go quite high, like quite high. This one enchantment before that said 45, which we just saw again. So this is a very special episode to tell you that I found an ocelot. We're gonna keep this as a permanent series for ever. But let's make a mine here. So I've been playing Mass Effect and I just felt like playing this, but I didn't feel like recording, so I just went ahead and played it and did all of this. So this was I was gonna actually do it as a live stream, but I just couldn't be bothered. So I did all of this in one day, like everything that's here now. So as you see, that's quite a funny picture. I'm guessing he's holding the ender. Oh crap! What am I doing? He's holding the ender pearl, and they've got like blankets to kill him. I don't know, but guess that wraps it up. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and favorite. That would really I would really appreciate it, because that would get us to the next episode. And so what we're actually going to do in this series is beat the Ender Dragon, keep going though. And that's going to be like a special episode. And it's nighttime, so we'll go sleep. So if you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time. Adios.